think of using layers as stacking images on top of each other, and then combining them or cutting out certain parts of them so that you get the best of all of the images. To start, you're going to want to open up an image by double-clicking on it from the file browser. On the right, you'll see the Layers pane. Below that, you'll see the first layer that you just added. From the left is an eye icon. The eye icon will either hide or show the active layer. If I click on the eye, the layer is hidden, and if I click on it again, the layer comes back. Next to that is a small thumbnail representation of that layer, and after that is the layer name. Now, the layer name is usually by default the file name. However, we can change this by double-clicking on that and typing in a new layer name. Below that are the layer tools. Let's start with the ones that are highlighted. If I want to copy or duplicate a layer, all I need to do is click on the copy button. And now I have a duplicate layer that's right above. If I want to delete a layer, I'll just click on the delete button and that will get rid of that layer. The fill button will allow me to add a color fill layer. If I click on it, a dialog box comes up. From here, I can select a preset to change the overall look of the image, or I can click on the color swatch to use a color picker and choose my own color. Below that are the blending mode options. From here, I can hover over to get previews of the blending modes and how that color fill layer will blend with the image layer. And finally is an opacity or strength slider. As I bring this up to 100%, the full blend of that color fill layer will be visible. And if I bring it down to 1, I'll get a much less impactful blend. Now, if I want to work with more than one image in this document, all I need to do is double-click on the image and then click Add to apply the image as its own layer. Now, in the Layers panel, you can see that I've got the two layers. I'm going to rename this one Image 2. And I'm ready to move forward with using any of the masking, blending, or healing tools in the Layers Home module. If I want to flatten an image and combine the layers, all I need to do is click on Merge, and the Home module will automatically flatten the two layers together. Another option is if I want to create a new layer with all of the existing visible layers without actually merging them, I can go to the Layer menu and then select New Stamped Layer. This will create a new third layer that combines the first two layers without actually getting rid of them.